To use Discover Rewards on Amazon, start by linking your Discover card to your Amazon account. Sign in to your Amazon account and navigate to the Amazon Rewards section. Click on the link to add a new rewards balance and select Discover as the rewards provider. You will be prompted to enter your Discover card details and authorize the connection. Once your Discover card is linked, you can view your available rewards balance on the Amazon website. To do this, go to the Amazon Rewards section and click on the Discover Rewards balance. You will see the total amount of rewards you have available to use. To shop with Discover Rewards on Amazon, simply add items to your cart as you normally would. When you proceed to checkout, click on the Rewards Balance section and select the amount of Discover Rewards you want to apply to your purchase. You can use a portion of your rewards or the entire balance, depending on your preference. For example, if you have 1,000 Discover Rewards points and you want to buy an item that costs $50, you can apply 500 points to the purchase, which is equivalent to $5. This will reduce the amount you need to pay out of pocket. You can also combine your Discover Rewards with other payment methods, such as a credit or debit card, to get the most out of your Discover Rewards on Amazon. Make sure to check the rewards balance regularly and use it before it expires. You should also consider setting up alerts to notify you when your rewards balance is running low. Additionally, look for special promotions and discounts on Amazon that can be combined with your Discover Rewards for even greater savings. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use your Discover Rewards on Amazon and maximize the value of your rewards program. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your Discover card in the Amazon Rewards program to ensure you understand the rules and any potential limitations.